welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Haley. I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and health videos, and today is a big day, and it is a day that is long overdue because let me just tell you guys right now, what you are about to see might disturb some of you. I have seriously been needing to clean out my makeup collection for the longest time, and I've just been putting it off and putting it off, and today it needs to happen. I need to declutter. I need to get all the crap and all the stuff that I don't need anymore out of my makeup collection because I'm out of room. I have nowhere to put the rest of my makeup, and yeah, I just need to solve this issue like now. So I'm about to show you the before, and just be warned, viewer discretion is advised. So I keep all of my stuff in this Alex drawer, and this is not like the big one. This is just like part of a desk that I have. It's from IKEA, this whole desk, and sorry about the mess, but this is the first drawer. It's literally full of just crap everywhere. And this is the second drawer, which just has like, it started out as an eye drawer, but it now has just like random lip products, eye products, nail polishes, some random everything basically. And then this drawer, I don't even remember what this drawer was supposed to be, but it has like an empty makeup bag, an organizer, and then back here is a ton of like face products. Sorry, it's out of focus, hold on. Yeah, all these face products, and then I have like a couple, okay, this is a bag full of lip products. Like, I have a problem, obviously. And then I have all these chapsticks that I was sent recently, and then like some makeup setting sprays. And then this one, this is also very random. I don't even know how this is a makeup collection because all this stuff is so random, but I have like all my gel nail polishes and for like my gel polish system that I use, and then I have a bunch of hair dye that I use, and coconut oil for my body, honey for Manuka honey for face masks. Sorry about the barking, they literally never stop. This perfume, and I just have like sunscreen, a serum, a lotion, an eye serum, like what is this, a moisturizer, a sunscreen for my face, and perfume, and then jojoba oil. So, oh, and my self tanner right there. And then the last drawer, this was supposed to be like dedicated to palettes basically. So this was like a kind of like palette thing that I bought. It's like a palette of loose eyeshadows basically. And then I have like my Naked Smoky palette, and then I have a Morphe palette. I have another Morphe palette back here. And then this is like my brush roll. And then I have like, this is for mixing my hair dye. This needs to find another place to go. And then I have an empty makeup bag for like traveling, another makeup bag, the Kylie eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette. And then I have this little palette back here. And then this, what is this? Oh, these are latex gloves for dyeing my hair. So yeah, as you can see, it's just very random, very disorganized, not good at all. So you can't even see my makeup because it's like covered in just crap. So I'm gonna get started on decluttering this, and I'm gonna start with this drawer. Okay. Also in this drawer I have my glasses, which I'm just gonna like set aside for now. I have this little bin that I keep random stuff in. Like, there's some jewelry in here. Like, I'm gonna take that out because that does not belong in my makeup collection. Then I have like all these random like cards that I don't use anymore, so I'm just gonna put those to the side so I can go through those. And then I have a mini Too Faced bronzer. This is like the milk chocolate one. I'm gonna give that away. Okay, so it's empty now. And I'm not sure what I want to use this for. I think I might put like my everyday makeup in the top drawer, so it's like easily accessible for like day to day. So this drawer is now much cleaner. There's not a lot in here. I will come back to that. Now I have to deal with this. Okay, so this is the stuff that I'm keeping, this pile. And then this is the stuff I'm giving away. And this is the stuff that I'm throwing away. So the stuff that I'm keeping, I'm mostly keeping like a lot of these like glitter things from NYX, just because I think if I ever go to like concerts or like Halloween, that kind of stuff, like I know I'll actually use this stuff. And it's all like fairly new as well, so it's not expired or anything, so that's why I didn't like throw anything away. And then I have just like a couple single eyeshadows that I'm keeping. And then I have this Stila like liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is really fun to use too for like special occasions. And then I have this like white NYX gel eyeliner that I thought might be useful at some point, and this like white liquid and this like fun blue color. I mean, I don't use these things that often, but I feel like for events or like some kind of holiday or whatever, it could be fun to keep. I'm keeping the Spell People mini mascara. And then I think I'm going to keep all of my high-end palettes. These are, like, I have a couple from Chanel. I have this one. It's like a purpley color. And I have this one. This is like a quad. And then I have this Dior palette. It's like, it was one of their summer edition ones. And I was really into like the designer makeup for a while. I would get like some of their limited edition palettes and stuff. And these things were not cheap, so I kind of don't want to give them away to anybody because I paid so much money for these. And they're so pretty and like, I don't know. And then I'm keeping this mascara and this like brush cleanser, and then these are like more glitters that I got when I went to IMATS. Then for the stuff I'm giving away, this is like kind of paining me a little bit, but I don't use this stuff at all, and I know somebody else would use it. So, and I've just had it for so long too, I know it's gonna go bad soon, and I would just rather give it to somebody who's gonna use it than to just keep it in my drawer and let it go bad. So I have a bunch of MAC eyeshadows. I'm not going to go through all the colors, but I have a bunch of those, and then I have a little quad that I made a while back, and then I have like some eyeshadow primer, like cream eyeshadows. I have a black gel liner that I don't really use, and then just like another single eyeshadow, and then I have a couple of these NARS eyeshadow duos, and these are great. I just don't use them because I have like so many eyeshadows, it's like hard to use them all. And then I have a couple more like eyeliners, and these are two just like single eyeshadows from NARS. And then this is like a brow duo. My mom will probably want this. And then I just have another like eyeshadow thing. So that's what I'm giving away. And then the trash is basically just like eyeliners that have dried out and like mascaras that I didn't like, and yeah, basically just stuff that's really expired. Like this shadow is just completely shattered and like old, and this eyeliner is probably like 6 years old. So yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of that stuff. Alright, so this is my eye drawer. I moved all of my palettes up here as well. So I'm keeping like all of these palettes that I showed you earlier. Like I have my Morphe palettes right there, and then just like my Kylie one and a couple others. And then I put the glitter thing right there. I have all the glittery like fun stuff right here. Some loose eyeshadows here, more loose eyeshadows, cream eyeshadows, my fancy palettes, this random palette, all the glitter from NYX, and then I have like a couple brow products and like some mascara and eyeliner right here. So that is the drawer. It looks so much better. I want to get like acrylic containers to keep in here so I can like put everything in stuff so it's not just like all spread out like loosely in the drawer, so it can move around when I push it in and out. But for now, it's fine. So next drawer, we have this one. So I'm just going to take this out, this lip product, and I'll go through this bag in a minute. But I need to take that out as well. Take those out. And I'm going to go through all of these face products and show you what I end up keeping. Okay, so this drawer is now empty and I organized everything. So this is what I'm keeping. So I'm keeping this RMS Beauty like powder foundation. I'm keeping this 100% pure powder foundation. I'm keeping this 100% pure bronzer. this Tarte powder. There's not a lot left in it, but this is my summer shade, so I'm just going to keep it and use it up in the summer when I get tanner. And then I have this foundation. There's not a lot left in this either, but it is my summer color, so I'm just going to keep it till summer and use it up. And then I have these two. This is a highlighter from 100% Pure and a concealer from 100% Pure. I'm keeping those, and I'm also keeping this Well People Nudist stick, and then I'm keeping this Fix Plus because this is good for like eyeshadows when you want to like get your brush wet. It makes the shadows more pigmented. And then I have this NARS blush in Sin that I haven't even opened. And then I have these two Urban Decay setting powders, or setting sprays, because I like these in the summer. If I have like an event that I want my makeup to last for, these are really good. So that's what I'm keeping. And then I'm throwing away this stuff because these blushes from NARS are really old, and also this is like completely broken and there's not that much left. And then there's this one, and I just don't really like this color on me anymore, honestly. And then this I am throwing away because I just hate this. It's terrible. And then this is like a body bronzer, and I just don't really like it. And this is super old, this bronzer. I'm just not feeling it. And then these two are empty. I don't even know like why I kept them, so I'm just gonna throw those away. This highlighter is like empty and like dried out, and then this is empty. This is just really old and gross. This is super old and probably expired, and there's not like a ton left. And then this I've had since before I went to college, so this is definitely expired. And then this is broken and like pretty much empty too, as you can see. And then this is just really gross and old. It's just like a cream highlighter. These two foundations are empty. I don't know why I have them. There's probably like a little bit, tiny bit left, but I don't really like them anymore. They kind of break me out, so I'm gonna throw those away. And then this stuff I'm giving away, so actually I'm gonna keep this for now. This is just Benetint. It's like a lip stain. But I'm gonna give away this MAC strobe cream because I just don't really wear it. And then this little like foundation or sunscreen stick, this NYX highlighter, I just not really a fan of it. This face primer, this highlight, I just don't really use this. I'm also giving this highlight away because I don't wear it. I have other highlighters that I like more. And then this blush, I just don't really use. It doesn't really show up on me, honestly. And then this is just like a mini bronzer. It's too orange for me. Then these highlighters I'm giving away because I just don't really wear them. They're from Wet n Wild. This Tarte Shape Tape, it's okay, but it like burns my skin. And I just think it's too heavy, honestly. My skin is just too sensitive for it, so I'm just gonna give it to my mom. And then I have this green concealer, which is like if you have like an acne spot or something. I may actually keep this just in case, you never know. I don't really break out that much anymore, but in case I do, I guess I should keep it. And then this is just a mini NARS blush, which I'm sure my mom will enjoy. I just don't really wear corals. It's not really my thing. I like more berry toned stuff. This is also not my shade, but my mom will love it, I'm sure, so I'm going to give it to her. It's just a nice hourglass blush. I used it for a while, but I just don't like peachy blushes on me, I've discovered. And this is a little mini face primer, so I'm not giving away that much, honestly, out of this, so that's pretty good. These are the ones that I'm keeping. So this is mostly just like sentimental reasons. I just don't want to part with this one because I wore this like all of my freshman year of college, and I always wore this out to parties and stuff, and I don't know, I just really love this and I don't want to get rid of it just yet. Eventually I'll probably throw it away, but this is also something I'm keeping for sentimental reasons. I bought this lip gloss at the Chanel store in Paris, and I can't get rid of this either. And then these I'm just keeping for like Halloween purposes. And then I'm keeping these 3 Kylie lip kits because these are nice and like I don't want to get rid of these. I'm also keeping this Dose of Colors liquid lipstick and this Au Naturel Cosmetics lipstick. And then I'm giving away these. I'm giving away these MAC lipsticks because none of the shades I really like that much. And then like all these other ones I just don't really wear, so yep. And then I'm throwing all of these away because these are all like very, 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 very old, like over 7 years old probably. And I don't wear any of them anymore. So, and they're all like nasty too, like gross. Those need to go. And they're all kind of starting to smell funky too. So that's how you know they're expired. So goodbye. Now we have this drawer, which I have been dreading, and I honestly don't want to deal with it. Okay, so I pretty much kept everything in here. I just sort of like organized it a little more. And I basically just have like oils for like my, I don't know, like I use this in my hair and on my eyelashes and stuff. These two. And then this is like an eye serum for like your eye area. And then I just have like 2 extras of it. And then I have like my face sunscreen, my regular sunscreen, like all the stuff I showed you before. And then I organized all the nail stuff back there. And yeah, the only stuff I took out was the perfumes and the coconut oil. And I'm gonna put these 2 perfumes up on that little tray right there. So that is that. And now the last drawer I pretty much have cleaned out now because I took the palettes out, and now there's just like the travel bags, and then I have like that little makeup bag right here full of my lip products and stuff. So yeah, not too much to do in this drawer really. But what I want to do now is come back up to this drawer, and in here I want to put all my everyday makeup. And right now all my everyday makeup is in this little makeup bag, but I'm gonna just start using this for travel now because I find that like it gets really dirty in here using it on a daily basis. So I want to just like take everything out and organize it into here. Okay, so I put all of my everyday makeup products in this little basket here, and I need to get more of these, and like, but I want to get them in like the plastic acrylic kind of material for all of the drawers, but this is what I'm working with for now. Probably took me like an hour to do this. I honestly don't know what time I started though, so yeah, but I hope this was helpful to you guys. Maybe it inspires some of you to purge your makeup collection, because trust me, mine was long overdue and I've just been kind of like putting it off and putting it off. But I've been getting so much makeup sent to me lately that I was kind of forced to go through all my stuff because I was literally out of room and I had nowhere to put my new makeup. So I'm glad I did it. I feel so much better now. I need to like clean it all up though and put it into separate bags, like the trash one and the one I'm giving away. And I'm probably just gonna let my mom and my friends go through what I'm giving away and just let them pick whatever they want. So yeah, I'm really excited, and I'm so happy that my makeup collection is finally like reduced, because I just had so much stuff that I didn't even use and it like stressed me out. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.